This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Well, well, well. What do we have here? Oh, wow.
Introducing the Cappy set. Phones, laptops, and headphones made for dreamers. And it's 100% magic power. No electricity needed. Call now. A limited offer for future Cappy wizards.
Wow, I want it so bad. Time to order.
Delivery for Sam. Looks like you ordered the whole store.
Finally! Let's open the box, Sue! There are so many things inside!
Aren't you a Mr. Excitement today? Okay, let's see. The Cappy phone! And here's the case for it.
I can't wait to see the rest! Hey! I didn't order this pumpkin hat!
Looks like someone's Halloween decor.
Well, I guess I'm the Pumpkin King now!
Okay, back to work. Time to open this Cappy book.
Hey! You forgot the stickers!
I didn't forget, but thanks for being so attentive. Here we go.
The stickers will suit here very well.
And finally, we have the accessories.
Oh, my feta! They are so cute!
Would you just look at this squishy?
Sue, let's have a look at the phone already!
Everything's here. The charger, the phone, and a lollipop? Seriously?
I can take care of that.
Hey, it's not turning on.
Relax, just press the button.
Oh, right. Well, it definitely works.
Check if YouTube is installed.
Yep, it's here. But wait, someone hasn't subscribed to our channel. Let's fix that.
Good job, Sue. And here's the phone case.
Thanks, Sammy. Wow, so stylish. And the size is just perfect. Doesn't it look great? Hey, what you doing?
I decided to pick a charm to go with my new phone.
Look, here's the perfect one. Don't you think?
Nope, too much pink. I'll give this one to Barbie.
Wow, thanks. So fancy. Then how about this one?
Is that a sponge? Someone needs to take a bath.
Okay, Sammy. This cute little Cappy is our last option.
If it's the last one, let's keep it.
But that's not all, Sammy. This charm comes with a super cute phone holder.
Awesome! Can I test my Cappy phone?
Of course.
Now, everyone, let's really test this magical phone. And my helper, Sue, will show you the Cappy Pad. That's your cue, Sue.
Don't forget charger. Dear viewers, let me introduce you to the Cappy Pad, magic word model.
The Cappy Pad can hold 4,000 games! That's all my dreams in one tablet!
It also comes with this tiny little USB charger. Oh, the case! I totally forgot. Sammy, keep filming. I'll go find it.
Sure, Sue. I can do it for you. Oh no! I broke a new Cappy Pad!
What's all that noise?
The tablet just disappeared! I was looking for it and got so tired, I decided to take a nap.
Oh, really? Well, here it is, right under your pillow.
Okay, Sue. I think I broke it when I fell on it. Sorry.
Sammy, relax. You didn't break it. You just turned it on. See? It works.
Phew! I was so scared for a second.
Look, there's a notes app. You can write sweet messages like, Sammy, you are my best friend.
Aw, that's so cute, Sue. Let me write something for you, too. There we go. Have a look.
Case? That's a strange message.
Let's put on the case. That's why you brought it here.
Oh, right. I almost forgot. Let's dress up your Cappy Pad.
Ugh, why is it so heavy? Help me!
Whoa, it's the new Cappy book model. It looks so cool and shiny, and also totally crash-proof. Awesome! Wow, screen, keyboard, power button. I can't wait to see it in action.
Sue, I'm back! Wow, that's the real Cappy book! Can I show you something? Oops, this model's not made for slimes. I can't see which key to press.
All right, Mr. Tech Genius, let's make your keyboard even cooler. But I gotta be careful. Stickers must go in the right spots.
Now that's much better! Let me show you some cool photos. Look! These are my favorite capybara pictures! Cool, isn't it?
It is! Now your memories can live in the Cappy book.
Hey, and what about stickers?
Oh, sure. Let's start with this orange one. It does remind me of something.
Oh, my feta! I wanted to help, but something went wrong! Ouch! Be gentle, please!
Oops. Sorry, Sammy.
Sue, look what else we've got here! A capybara squishy!
It's so cute. A real stress reliever after a long, hard day.
Let's test it! Ha-ha!
Sam, careful! This squishy is the best stress buster after your funny tricks. And that's the full Cappy Apple collection.
Wow! I wish I knew how it's made! Huh? What's this? A card? Wanna know how Cappy gadgets are made? Enter the code! Sue, write it down!
I'm ready, Sam.
99950! Did you get it?
Yes, all done.
Real Cappy wizards don't buy gadgets. They create them.
Whoa, what is going on?
Are we really in Capybara's office?
Yes, and now we can make our own Cappy gadgets! First, let's draw our Cappy tech. We'll start with the design of the Cappy phone.
You are so talented! It's gonna be legendary!
Thanks, Sammy. Wow, that's some next-level design magic.
Whoa! Sue! What was that? Please, be a little more careful with all your magic!
Huh? What did you say?
Good macaroons! Stop swiping! It's a design avalanche!
Sam? Hey, where'd you go?
Away! You almost squashed me with your templates! Hey, I'm the fashion designer now. Look at my new hat!
Nice style, Sammy. But let's use it for something cooler, okay?
Okay, I see you can handle this without me. I'll go find something fun to do!
Just try to be careful with those adventures.
Wow, Sue! You already cut out so many things!
And there will be even more, Sammy.
Look, Sue! I'm lifting my new tape blades! Ah! No, I dropped the weights!
Sammy, come on! You're making a mess again.
No more powerlifting? Fine, I'll find something else to do. Maybe I can be a gardener. I can trim the bushes. Hey, give it back! It's so hard to be a talented slime.
You're right, but don't worry. You'll find your thing. Now, let's make our phone nice and strong.
Good macaroons! Cotton candy, my favorite! It looks so tasty!
Now they're strong enough. Even Sam's tricks won't break them.
Sue, look what I got! Cotton candy! Hey!
It's not cotton candy, Sammy. It's just normal cotton. Look.
Ugh, this is not fair! I was hoping to enjoy the tree!
But we can use this to make our crafts fluffy and puffy.
That's smart. Oh, I have another great idea! Haha!
Sammy, please, not again. Ugh.
Beep beep! Careful! Heavy delivery coming through!
Huh? Sammy, why so much cardboard?
We need real boxes for our gadgets. They have to look fancy.
Totally agree. Let's make premium packaging by Sammy and Sue.
Looking good, Sue. I already want to buy it.
I know, right? I kind of want one for myself, too.
Holy cannoli, I'm a marketing genius. With that packaging, our sales will skyrocket.
I don't doubt that, Sammy. Now the box is ready.
Yep, perfect. It's Cappy certified.
So, how much should we sell this beauty for?
Let's sell it for 10,000 cat coins!
By the way, everything's ready.
Cool! Let's pack it all! Oh, my feta! We made our own Cappy gadget store! Let the customers in, Sue! Yeah!
Hi, Bucky!
Hi, guys!
Oh, Bucky, when you're stacking something as important as pumpkin seed buns, you can't go around waving to anyone. Huh? Fine, Rose, Daffodil, and Moss aren't just anyone, but you still have to be careful. These buns are worth their weight in gold.
Right, gold. Got it, Chef Thorn?
Thorn's famous buns for our night garden planting. Check. Lanterns?
Right here, Rose. Sleep now, glow later, Firefly.
Check. Chamomile tea?
Got it, Rose. This chamomile tea will help us get a good night's sleep.
Check. All set. Has anyone seen Cap? He was supposed to help me load the emergency first aid kit on the bus.
That's odd. Cap always shows up.
Exactly. That's what makes him Cap. Wait, what if he was walking and he stepped in sticky beetle sap somewhere and he's stuck forever?
Don't be embarrassed, Cap. It's normal to be a little nervous before your first night garden, but you're gonna love it.
Cap's here, not in beetle sap. I'll call the bus. Pretty great, isn't it?
Yeah, great.
Ladies and gentlemen, please prepare for landing. It's a warm, quiet evening in the garden. We hope you had a pleasant flight on the Hummingbird bus.
Bucky, a pyramid of buns is a beautiful thing.
Got it, Chef. Oh, wow. Look at the moon.
Huh?
What fresh-baked goodness is this? I think I smell more of these bun wonders. Look at all those buns. More than enough for this clever chipmunk.
And don't leave this spot. We don't want Ellery stealing these buns.
Thorn, always ruining my plans.
Hey, buddy, rise and shine. Isn't night garden planting amazing?
Sure. Is it always so, dark?
That's funny. It's night garden, not day garden. Good one, Cap.
This looks like a good spot for sleeping.
We're sleeping here? Outside?
Not completely outside. Watch. Welcome to your night garden sleeping pod. Stylish and safe.
Safe from what?
We're going to sleep like a dream in these. We won't even need this chamomile tea.
I might. Oh, thank you, Daffodil.
We've got a long way to go until we sleep. Let's get planting. There you go. Isn't night garden fantastic, Cap? Just us lily buds and the crickets and the moon.
Are you sure that's all thistle? 'Cause I heard some sounds coming from over there in that thicket.
I'll go check it out.
I'll go with you. I mean, you shouldn't have to go alone.
I'll be fine. I'll take a firefly. Come on, little buddy.
That's okay. Nothing to be afraid of. Maybe I'll have a little tea. Ah! Hello? Is anyone there? Whoa, how am I going to get down? Okay, I have to stay calm. Just relax and... Huh? Ah! Ah! Hello. You're just a baby possum. What are you doing way up here?
I was pretending to climb all the way up to the moon, and now I can't get down. My name is Plum. What's yours?
Cap. Well, Plum, it looks like our imaginations have got us both in trouble, huh?
Excuse me, miss. May I see your ID?
Lucky, it's me, Lilac.
I know, but Chef Thorne says to check everyone because Ellery will try anything to get these buns.
Oh, that Thorn.
Has anyone seen Cap? He's gone. I hope he's not scared. Now that you mention it, Cap did seem a little nervous earlier. We have to go find him.
Are we gonna have to live up here forever, Mr. Cap?
No, my friends will find us. Lily buds!
Are you trying to get us discovered by giant fire-breathing buffalo-headed beasts?
Wow, Plum, your imagination is even bigger than mine. Okay, I'll be quiet. We'll get found. Somehow. Cap! Cap!
Oh, sorry.
There's no sign of him anywhere. We need a better view. Should we call the hummingbird bus? They never fly at night. Hummingbird drivers rules.
Perhaps I can help?
Huh?
Please forget what you just saw.
I might have something for you.
I found this in the park. Behold, my flying machine.
That's a kid's toy. You stole it.
It was carelessly left behind. It will be perfect for you to find Cap.
It's very nice of you to offer us your flying machine, Ellery.
Too nice. What's in this for you?
Oh, I couldn't possibly take anything, except perhaps a gift of, say, all of your pumpkin seed buns.
Deal. Now, who's going to fly this thing?
Not me. I have buns to collect. Let's go, Thorn, before the night dew makes them soggy.
I was Cap, and I'll find him. Ready, set, fly!
Did you hear that? It's the fire-breathing beast!
Thistle! Over here!
I just need to turn this thing around. Can't turn this thing around. Don't worry, I'll come back and get you. I found Cap. He's in that tree.
Lily buds!
Come on, Lilybuds! If it worked for pumpkin seed buns, it can work for us. Just a little bit higher. Almost there. Snake! Oh, sorry, it was just a vine. That's it. Instead of flying and climbing, we should do what we do best. Grow something. Like a nice soft bed of moss.
For them to jump down into. Did she say jump?
Don't think of it as jumping. All you have to do is step off the branch and land down there.
You can do this. I'm still a baby. Just yesterday, I was hairless and I didn't even have my eyes open.
Maybe you could shut your eyes when we, step off the branch.
Shut my eyes? Are you kidding me?
Just imagine you're sleeping. Wait, Plum, how about some chamomile tea? Now, use your imagination to picture jumping into a nice, soft bed. Can you do that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Shh. Sleep tight, Plum.
We're sorry, Cap. We should have taken your fears more seriously. We were so excited about the night garden that we forgot our first times.
You mean I wasn't the only one who was scared at first?
Oh, no.
Completely.
We all were.
Who wants a late night snack?
But I thought Ellery took them all.
You know me better than that, Rose. Never give a chipmunk all your food.